Okay, so y'all get to open one present. And that's it. Alright?
Until Christmas Eve.
Until Christmas Eve, yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Hurry, Kylie. Just focus on your own.
Hey.
What is it?
This is a joke.
Kylie.
What is it?
What'd you get, Kylie?
What is it?
This is a joke.
What is it?
Skylar, you got a squeegee and rubber gloves? Kylie, what did you get?
What'd you get, baby? I can't see. Show it to me.
That's this.
A bell pepper!
Those are good.
You like bell pepper.
You're mean. We deserve some.
Do you like it, baby?
No.
Do you like it?
No.
Why? Well, why are you all smiles? You want to trade with your sister? You want that present?
No.
Hey,
I want
Jimmy
those
Jimmy
presents.
Kimmel was the one who told all the parents to prank their kids.
Booby, can you pick up your present so I can get it on camera?
She thinks it's gross.
Come on. Do you like it?
No.
Can I get a kiss for it?
No.
She wants a squeegee. Well, look, they're fighting for the present.
It's mine. You got the bell pepper. I don't like it. No.
There's rubber gloves in there, Kylie. See? Rubber gloves.
Booby, you don't like your bell pepper?
Okay, we should give her the